Guys, if you're on Ableton and if you have the UAD console app, means if you have Apollo 7X, I'm going to show you how you can record high quality video from YouTube or anywhere from the internet. I'm going to show you how to route those to your DAW so that way you can record high quality audio right inside of your DAW. Let's go. Guys, first thing is first, when you go on UAD console app, you're going to see these channels like virtual 1 and virtual 2. So these are empty channels, but it comes with UAD, and these are virtual channels, and you can totally recreate them, link them together and make it like a stereo channel. That way you can route your audio from anywhere on the internet to these two channels. Actually, they're going to become one later. And then you can route that signal into your audio, into your DAW. And now let's get to work. Step number 1, go to your Spotlight search and type in audio media setup. I already have it on my dock, so I can keep it handy here anytime I need. So just type in if you don't know where it is, and it will show you. It will bring this to you, and you're going to see this audio in Universal Audio Thunderbolt here. And this is where you're going to deal with your routing. So on this section, we're going to go to output, guys. Output. Universal Audio Thunderbolt output. Let's go. So now we have this, and we're going to click on configure set speakers. And by default, as you can see, it says monitor left, monitor right. And we want to change that to virtual 1, virtual 2. Next, apply. Done. So now we're back on UAD console app. You see the virtual channel 1, virtual channel 2. Just click on this one and click on link. Just click on the title and click on link. That way it's going to link these two channels, and it's going to create like one single stereo channel from those two channels. And I already renamed it. You can rename it. You can call it whatever you want. I like to call it system. So it's already linked, but originally it says virtual 1 and 2. That's the name, but you just name it. So later, we're still on the console app. You want to go to check, you want to see what is the routing, current routing. Click on the menu, guys, and go to view, go to settings, and look at this now. Do you remember it was virtual 1 and virtual 2, right? But now it's a stereo channel. We made it like a stereo channel. So I want you to look at these numbers, and I want you to remember that 5 and 6, because these are the numbers we're going to use to route this into your DAW. So now we will go back to our Ableton, and we will go back. This is step number 3, I guess, right? Yeah, step number 3. Let's go back to our Ableton preferences. So we're going to go here to the input configuration, guys. Input. As you can see, this is all I have as inputs. But do you remember we set those channels like they were 5 and 6. Now I'm just going to go activate that, because that's actually the system channel. And I'm even going to name it system. I just try to use the same name that I did here on the console app, guys, just to, make it easier makes my life easier, I guess. And I also have the vocal channel here. Since we are already here, I kind of want to name this as a vocal channel, guys. Let's go on Ableton again. I will call this vocal, because that's the only thing I record on this Mac anyways. So I hit on OK. Now we're done with the input routing, right? So now if I create like a new audio track, check this. Check this. Now I have the names here. If I hit 5 and 6 system, then it's going to record my system. And if I actually play anything from here and check my meter, guys, it's recording. Isn't that amazing? Look at this. Incredible. So now you know how you can actually record high quality audio from YouTube, from any resource, into your DAW by using UAD console app. And cheers, guys. Happy producing. Amazing.